Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to fix the boot loop issue on your TECNO Spark 20 Pro Plus. In order to fix this issue, we're gonna have to perform a factory reset on this smartphone. And in order to do this, while your device is stuck in a boot loop, you can press power button and volume up key at the same time and hold them down for about 10 seconds until the screen of your device goes black. Then release the power button and keep holding the volume up key. Keep holding it until you see this screen. Then here you're gonna have to press and hold the power button and short press the volume up key. You'll get into recovery mode. Now, before we go to our next steps, I want to warn you that after you perform this operation, all the locally stored files on your smartphone will be erased. So if you are not prepared for this step, you can simply press the power button now to select Reboot System Now and simply restart your smartphone. Otherwise, use your volume up keys to navigate and power button to select, and this way you have to navigate down to Wipe Data / Factory Reset option and press power button once you have it highlighted, then volume down once again and power to select Factory Data Reset. You will see these logs at the bottom of your screen. Once you see them, just press the power button to reboot your device and perform the factory reset operation. Now just wait until the operation is finished. Your phone will restart, and after a couple of minutes you'll be able to set it up once again. And once you see the language selection screen, that means that you have successfully performed this operation. Now you can set up your device once again and start using it again. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.